Check. Hello.
Glutes.
1,000 years later.
Hi guys!
Welcome back to another video.
Today we're going to be going over a lift called the high knee lift. Let's start off with the demonstration. So for this lift with your partner, you're going to want to stand several paces apart, face to face with each other, and then when she's ready, the follow will initiate the action. Alright, so for the approach for this lift, as we mentioned earlier, we're going to start a little bit of ways apart from each other, just a few paces usually. And as the follow comes up to initiate the lift, the leads, again, we're going to be getting low like we usually do to prepare to lift up the follow. For the left leg, we can bend the knee outwards to bend down. For the right, we need to bend our knee inwards a little bit because she's going to be lifting her leg up this side of our body. So we need to keep this side free so we're not tripping her up or making it clumsy. So we're going to bend our knee in a little bit so she can raise her knee up against the side of our body. And then left arm ready to grab her lower back. Right arm ready to grab under the thigh just behind the knee.
And then ladies, we're going to take a running head start here towards him. We're going to plant our right foot in between his legs and push up on the ball of our foot and then raise our left leg. So here we want to make sure that we're not too low so that we're restricting his leg movement, but we're right above, about his hip.
Excellent. And so for the lift itself, when we lift our follow up, this time we're actually going to be rotating to the right. Most of our lifts we've been rotating over our left shoulder. This time because she's approaching us and she's lifting up the knee on this side, we have a very easy transition to pick her up and then start rotating towards the right as we carry her. And then we're going to start doing that once we lift her up. We're also going to be keeping good support on her thigh on our right side to keep that nice and high above our leg and our hip so that it's free for rotation and movement.
And ladies, the whole time that we're up there, we want to be pressing down on his shoulders so that we stay elevated and help him lift us here. And then when we feel comfortable, we can always style with the free arm. If you want to choose the left arm, that's up to you. You can bring it back and then also tilt your head back too as a styling. So why don't we just show you guys what that looks like. So we're up here, we're comfortable pressing down on our right arm, we lean back and we style.
And so for the set down for this lift, again, we're emphasizing being gentle and graceful with our follow as we're rotating and setting her down. So we already have her right leg pointing straight down. So leads, that's what we're feeling for as we gently lower her. We're waiting for feeling that point of contact on the ground so she can gently ease herself down, slowly release her leg on her right side so she can put both legs back on the ground. And again, we can put her down slightly ahead of us in the rotation to the right of our feet this time, so that way our rotation will bring us back into her.
And ladies, so when we feel him lowering us, we're just gonna slowly unlock our grip here on him and then be pointing with our free foot, our toe here, and then just release our leg slowly. So why don't we just show you guys that let down here.
So we're rotating,
style, and let down.
So now we'll do a couple demonstrations in the flow of dance to show how that might look.
Painting pictures with my body. There's just something about me. When I get around you, I move so different when you're watching. There's just something about me when I get around. I save my lips for kissing.
Thanks for joining us, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video.
And don't forget to like and comment and subscribe so you don't miss out on more content from Green by Ballroom. I hope to see you there. Bye.
Bye.